Hi, my name is Gavin Slaven. I'm the president of the triathlon club in the area and throughout the Bass Coast Shire. I'm also the event manager of the Bass Coast Cycle Challenge, and we promote safe cycling and driver education programs throughout the area. The Bass Coast Shire is a fantastic area to live and a fantastic area to ride your bike. If you come along the Cape Patterson road to Inverloch, it's amazing views. You'll see dolphins and whales along the coastline. So if you get a chance to ride your bike around here, it's just fantastic. Well, the Triathlon Club started off doing triathlons, and then we ventured into more throughout the community to support the community in safe cycling. The safety of the Bass Coast area for riding is fantastic. We get a huge support from the local community and also the local Shire. They support our events and they ensure that we have all the information and all the right things in place to have a safe ride.